So low power?
Low power.
Yeah. Really efficient then probably.
2000.
I appreciate it, man. Nice. These are Group 34s?
D1400.
1400s, okay. Alright. Yeah, look. What's your name, man?
Travis Elliott.
Travis, okay. Could you give me a rundown of all the equipment and all of that?
I got a DC 370 on the 12 volt side. I got two Eccessive Amperage 300s on the 14 volt. I got 8 HDC 312s on two SoundQubed 1200s.
Okay.
At half on. I got two 4500s to go in it, but I don't have enough battery right yet.
Yeah. Got it. So low power?
Low power.
Yeah. Really efficient then probably.
2,130 watts clamped.
Okay. Oh wow. So you know exactly.
Yeah.
All right. That's good to know. And you built this?
Yeah.
Awesome. Solid, man. That's quad baffled. Wow.
Yeah.
6th order. Whew. Do you know what you peak at?
No, I'm still doing a lot of testing,
Okay.
but it'll do like 53s around
Yeah.
29 to 35 hertz.
Wow. On low power. That's
low
good.
power.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'd love to hear it, man. Appreciate it. Solid roof too.
Yeah, it's got steel and
Yeah.
2x4s and then
Okay.
some birch.
Holy smokes, dude, for low power, I'm impressed. Is that your goal? Was to do low power to start?
It's just a test.
Yeah, really?
Yeah,
Wow.
because I couldn't put the 4500s in.
Yeah.
So I
Man.
threw those in there and I was like,
Jesus. Like, you have a lot of cone area on low power. It shows how efficient you can be with a big build with low power. You know what I mean? I guess.
Well, that was, that was the purpose. Was I was trying to make it as efficient as possible.
Yes, sir. Wow, that was awesome. Appreciate the demo, man.
Hey, no problem.
What was your name?
Travis Elliott.
Travis. Okay. Yep. Nice to meet you, Travis.
You too, man. I can play you another song if you want to.
Yeah, man. One more, sure. Whew.
This one seems to, peaks pretty good on this
Okay.
since it's got a little bit of a high in it.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
I stay out too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say.
Dude, that thing's got bandwidth too. Excellent, man. I appreciate you showing me, man.
Hey, no problem, man.
That was awesome.
Thank you.
And I'm sure it'll be even more alive when you get the more power, once you get the electric.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Insane still for what it is. Nice to meet you, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.